Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Wells Fargo Zelle not working. Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money, but sometimes it may not work as expected. In this guide, we will walk you through a simple troubleshoot process to resolve the issue easily. First, ensure that you have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account and that you have enrolled in Zelle through the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking. If you have not enrolled, you can do so by opening the app, selecting the Zelle option, and following the prompts to enroll. If you are having trouble with Zelle, start by checking your internet connection. A stable internet connection is required for Zelle to work properly. If your connection is slow or unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, check that you have the latest version of the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your device. Outdated apps can cause issues with Zelle, so make sure to update the app if necessary. You can do this by visiting the App Store on your device and searching for Wells Fargo. Another common issue that can cause Zelle to not work is incorrect account information. Ensure that your account information, including your name, address, and phone number, is up to date and accurate. You can check and update this information through the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking. If you are still having trouble with Zelle, try resetting the Zelle app. To do this, open the Wells Fargo mobile app, select the Zelle option, and then select the settings icon. From here, you can reset the Zelle app and try again. Additionally, check that you have sufficient funds in your account to send money through Zelle. If you have insufficient funds, the transaction will not be processed. You can check your account balance through the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking. It is also important to note that Zelle has daily and monthly transaction limits. If you have exceeded these limits, you will not be able to send or receive money through Zelle. You can check these limits through the Wells Fargo mobile app or online banking. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can contact Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance. In conclusion, fixing Wells Fargo Zelle not working is a straightforward process that can be done by following these simple steps. By checking your internet connection, updating the mobile app, verifying account information, resetting the Zelle app, checking account balance and transaction limits, and contacting customer support if necessary, you should be able to resolve the issue easily and get back to using Zelle to send and receive money.